What will we leave behind when the dust has settled and in its place is all we have built, all we have dreamed? Will we have nurtured that which we have been given, so that one day the generations to come will experience something spectacular, something wild, something that breaks them away from the technology-induced coma that disconnects them from the beauty that surrounds them?
Turkey Mountain's just always been a central part of Tulsa. It's the largest urban wilderness in the state. We have a combined almost 600 acres. Tulsans have a heartfelt passion for what Turkey Mountain is and what they really want it to be.
For me, Turkey Mountain is a place where I can come to get a breath of fresh air from the sidewalks and the honking horns, and provides that connection that we all internally need, even if we don't know we need that internal connection.
I think people engage Turkey Mountain in so many different ways. Some people hike the trails, some people come sit on a rock and read a book, and it's unique to everyone.
What blueprint will we draw? Will we etch naivety into the ground and continue to take until there is nothing left? Or will we begin to see the necessity in restoration? And if we don't, what will we lose?
Preserving Turkey Mountain as Tulsa grows is going to be critical for having that space that people can come to and experience nature. The amount of public free space is not going to get any greater than it is right now.
It's time to do something here to preserve this mountain for future generations. We have an incredible amount of interest right now, and then just from the health of the mountain.
What we heard loud and clear from people in the many community meetings we had, as well as all the online feedback we got, was to keep Turkey Mountain wild.
Number 2 comment was make Turkey Mountain better, because a lot of people realized that and recognized that Turkey Mountain wasn't necessarily the best space it could be for nature and for people in that interaction.
The preservation of Turkey Mountain began long before the inception of the master planning process. Since the 1970s, outdoor enthusiasts from the local community built trails, fought development, and protected the existence of a wild place right here in Tulsa. The master plan builds upon these efforts by prioritizing the reinvigoration of the core Turkey Mountain experience. This means welcoming bikers and pedestrians via new gateways, strengthening the trail system, and restoring Turkey Mountain's natural landscape.
Mountain biking and trail hiking and family, that is a critical element to that outdoor experience. And so this investment is tremendously important.
The response has been incredible from foundations, from corporations, from families.
You're not just giving money to make the trails better, you're actually restoring the health of this mountain. You're helping buy that medicine that this mountain so desperately needs.
When restoration happens, the wild is restored, and a whole new world awaits to be discovered. So is it even a question? Let's keep Turkey Mountain wild.